Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Organisms and Environment part 2. In that we are studying carbon cycle. Whenever you breathe out, what comes out is carbon dioxide. Every human being or every organism on atmosphere breathes in oxygen, breathes out carbon dioxide, or vice versa. So there is a lot of carbon dioxide present on earth. Where does all this carbon dioxide go? Yes, there is a cycle, carbon cycle present, which we'll be studying today. Carbon cycle is basically a gaseous cycle in which the main reservoirs or the components of nutrients, all the components of carbon cycle remain static in atmosphere. Everything just rotates around atmosphere. So carbon cycle is also called as a perfect system because every element in the carbon cycle remains uniform, doesn't changes, and it somewhere contributes to humans, plants, animals, even microorganisms. Carbon, or you can say carbon dioxide, is a main component of all organic compound. Remember chemistry, organic, inorganic chemistry, alkanes, alkenes, everything has got to do with carbon. It is the main organic component of protoplasm. Cell wall, cell membrane, protoplasm, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acid, enzymes, hormones, every other thing which you studied right now is made up of carbon cycle. Carbohydrates are basically present in our food. We consume carbohydrate in the form of wheat, and that is made up of carbon. It has components of carbon. Lipids or fats, long chain of fatty acid consists of carbon compounds. It could be unsaturated fatty acid or saturated fatty acid. Similarly, proteins are made up of amino acid along with carbon compounds. Nucleic acid, that is DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid or RNA, has carbon in some form in it. Cytosine has carbon in it. Enzymes, the acids that are formed inside body, consist of carbons. Hormones, insulin, epinephrine, non-epinephrine consist of carbon compounds. Basically, carbon is the source of everything in universe. Carbon cycle. It is a gaseous cycle in which the main reservoirs of nutrients, elements, and water. An example of gaseous cycles could be oxygen cycle, phosphorus cycle, or carbon cycle. Carbon cycles or gaseous cycles are quick. The elements remain uniform. It remains constant and in circulation. Carbon is an important component of all organic compounds like protoplasm, carbohydrates, lipids, which is fats, protein, deoxyribose nucleic acid, DNA, even enzymes and hormones. Now this is the way how carbon cycle basically works. Industries lead to production of harmful gases, and some by form of it would be carbon dioxide that contribute to carbon cycle. Even when fossil fuels are burned, carbon dioxide is produced. During photosynthesis product, you all know that during the night time the photosynthesis is reversed and carbon dioxide is used. At the daytime the story is different. During photosynthesis also carbon dioxide is produced and given back to atmosphere. Even during food consumption, whenever you grow some food and after harvesting process you burn that crop, it leads to amount of carbon dioxide into atmosphere. During respiration, the most important process, you take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So these are the processes through which carbon dioxide is contributed into atmosphere. Students, in this part of the chapter, we have studied about the importance of carbon cycle and how carbon cycle basically contributes to human life and animal plant life. I hope you all are clear about carbon cycle. Thank you.